This is my new daily F15 X5 with an N55, and we're gonna install an M Performance exhaust on it. Here's the M Performance muffler from BMW. Muffler tips. This is the plug that you're gonna use for the valve. So with the M Performance exhaust, there's no more exhaust valve. And the tips, and I also got new hangers because the muffler started hanging low. So we're gonna go ahead and install this now. Here you measure the same distance as on the new muffler and you cut it with a sawzall. This thing, and there's 13mm bolts here, nuts I mean. And there's two on this side. One, two, and disconnect the exhaust valve. This is the part that we're gonna plug up. The muffler will not come out unless you take off the heat shields. Otherwise it's too wide and it gets stuck. We gotta remove the heat shields first. So the old muffler is out, and this is what it looks like without it. Lots of space. That's done. And this, put the tips in through the bumper. Don't take this off yet because you're gonna adjust them and you might scratch them. You can adjust the rotation here. All right, so the valve connector is capped off. This is tight. Tips are connected, both adjusted. And we're gonna do a first start in a second.